I've got a leak from the fuel tank on my BMW E38 740i, so there's a fuel pipe hose that comes from the filler cap and comes down to the tank. There seems to be some sort of corrosion here, just on the inlet to the tank. So I'm going to remove this rubber hose. Before I remove the hose, I'm going to clean it up, because when I remove it, there will be probably some fuel that will come out of it, and I don't want to waste it. So I'm going to have to clean this up to this point of the connection there, and then I'm going to remove this hose, and then we can drain some fuel and try and repair it. And there's a lot of frost here, guys. A lot of frost. Oh my god. I hope this doesn't fall apart completely. I hope you can hear this rust crunching. I don't know what I'm gonna find here. Not as bad as I thought, actually. This is very crusty here, whatever the hell this is. Do you know what? I might be able to cut this, the damaged part here, and just stretch it a little bit more. I think there's plenty more room for this pipe, so I can definitely cut it. I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna see if I can fix it without spending extra money. I'm using a ratchet with a 6mm socket on it in order to loosen this clump. So this should be easy enough to remove. I have decent access. Easy enough to remove. Now, a little trick. If you want to drain your fuel a little bit quicker, just stick a stick or a pipe or whatever you have on hand and just push it. There is a flap, and this will let more fuel out. This rag is soaked with fuel, so hopefully this will clean it really well. So I'm going to use this two component epoxy adhesive. I'm going to apply it on top of the fuel pipe. I noticed some pitting on the pipe and some little holes, so I'm going to use this in order to fix it. This is, by the way, one of these cheap brands that you buy in Lidl, if you're familiar with Lidl shops. So I'm only going to use a little bit. It's ultra fast, so I'm not gonna haggle around, not gonna waste too much time. So I'm gonna try and apply it pretty quickly after I mix it now. This is starting to set pretty quickly, so I'm not gonna waste too much time. I'm gonna apply it with my finger. So this is the job complete. I'm very happy with the job I've done. I didn't even have to buy a brand new hose. I just reused this when I cut the bad bits. So if you're willing to tackle this job, all you need to do is just raise the vehicle and spend a couple of hours under your car. Just want to encourage all the people that have E38s with a little bit of a leak from this inlet pipe there, and are being quoted crazy money, like thousands and thousands of pounds for a new tank. In my case, I can definitely use this tank, and yeah, I would advise you to just get your hands dirty and do it yourself. I'll see you soon, and expect some more DIY videos from the Keen Mechanic.